What's up, guys? So we're doing my first YouTube video today. We're doing the What's in Your Mouth challenge. I have two lovely ladies with me. We have the beautiful Andrea and the beautiful Amber. So I'm going to blindfold these two, and they're going to go through 8 Dixie cups of different drinks, which I have written down on this piece of paper, and they have to guess what's in their mouth. Are you ready?
No. Are we supposed to take all of it?
Yes.
Can you walk me to a trash can? Ew, I just don't think it's cardboard. It tastes like melted cardboard and water or something.
What do you think it is, Andrea?
Milk!
Milk! Ding, ding, ding! Andrea is gonna hate this cup. Okay, 1, 2, 3, chug. Go, just go.
Vinegar! Oh my god. Poison! And really freaking gross wine.
Ding, ding, it's red wine.
Oh, it's red wine?
Yeah, it's red wine.
Stuff in your mouth.
1, 2, chug. Just do it. You have to just do it. You can't hesitate. What is it? Oh, that's easy.
Can I guess?
Yeah.
Pineapple juice.
Ding, ding, ding. 1, 2, do it.
That's good. Yeah, it is.
Right.
Vanilla extract.
No. There's the list. Let's see.
Oh, the little coffee creamers.
Yeah! Vanilla coffee cream. Oh my gosh. Okay. 1, 2, 3, chug.
Try what? What?
Oh. Okay. 1, 2, 3, just go. You can't smell. You.
I don't like this.
Just chug it. Oh, will you hit exit on that?
No.
Don't throw up in my house.
I have like the chills throughout my body right now.
You put this in like milk.
Oh, God. Oh. Kahlua.
Yeah! Ding,
Oh,
ding, ding,
yeah,
ding,
girl.
ding.
Count that. Where?
Don't.
No, I have to smell it now. I got it. Hey, somebody's calling me.
Stop.
How are you feeling? Hey, is she can I call you back? Because I'm You're holding. I can't do that. I heard you start gagging. I don't know what it is.
YOLO, YOLO, baby, YOLO.
So evil. That's not normal. It's like some salty something. I drank the whole thing.
It's something you would put on food.
Salt? You would?
Yeah. On Chinese food, specifically.
Not eat Chinese. MSG?
Soy sauce? Soy sauce.
You're laughing. I'm scared. You go too.
I'm still laughing from Amber's puke.
Oh, yeah, I know what this is. Well, pickle juice.
Oh, you guys are bitches. I thought you'd be like,
I drink pickle juice.
pickles. Oh.
I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm
Just do it.
I couldn't.
Ew.
What is that?
This is so gross.
No, Sammy. Ew. Stephanie. Evil.
What is your final guess?
Yes. I mean, don't.
There's olive juice.
Ew. Can I take off my thing?
Yeah, you can take off your blindfolds now. How fun was that?
It was amazing.
Alright, well that's all we have for you guys today. We'll see you later. Bye!
Bye.